Hey, good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Looks like the meme stonks are fading away. And Beyond Meat too, yeah. A lot of the recent big movers are kind of fading away a little bit. No, we're not live. This is a recording from yesterday. Yeah, topic will be inflation today. I don't really most of the time pay attention to the Fed because there's no value out there. But this one is actually, it's a pretty big one from what I understand. I saw an interview with Paul Tudor Jones. He said some things to look out for. So we'll see. This Fed meeting seems bigger than the average one. More important than the average one. So we'll see. Obviously, setups first. Let's see where the money is gonna go. Yeah, that's exactly the video I saw with Paul Tudor Jones. Now, again, 99% of the time I kind of ignore what the Fed says. I just, it doesn't pay. What pays is following price action. What pays is the reaction to what the Fed says. You don't even need to know what the Fed is saying. You need to pay attention where the money is going to. And how, you need to focus on the setups. That's all that matters. Overweight CLF is gonna be overweight. Yes, please. I'm winning. Oh man, the thing about CLF, look at the volume. It's not like it had one day volume spike. It's had consistently high volume since the big breakout. That's interesting. That's something to pay attention to. X is obviously the laggard right now. Wait, CLF has a higher market cap than US Steel? Holy shit. Did not know that. Huh, okay. What the fuck are you talking about? Dun, 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 dun. Is it lower in volume? Third, every single day it's lower in volume. I don't know what's going on. I guess if this continues, you guys won't be hearing me. Yeah, Kenny boy. Yep, he's trying to censor me. He's trying to censor free speech. Freedom, baby. People going deaf listening to your rants? No, people going deaf because they listen to a bunch of useless shit. They've been listening to CNBC. That's where they're going deaf. You're gonna short my mic volume? Probably a profitable trade. It's been in a downtrend for some weeks now. I don't know why. It's probably Kenny Boy's fault, one way or another. What's this APRE? Okay. Oh, this is a buyout. Imagine catching SPI opening range highs September last year. Imagine buying it here in a mid 420s. and then it goes it goes to almost $47. Holy shit, man. Can I have one trade like that in my life? Actually, I've had trades like that, but that was a long time ago. Looks like Kenny Boy's pushing AMC down in pre-market. They're trying to get our shares. Also, Kenny Boy, he shook me out of my shares yesterday. Kenny Boy forced my hand. Yeah. Can someone tell me when the excess lows are gonna be? BNTX is gapping down. Oh. Also went short some Tesla yesterday. Let's see how this thing works out. This thing has been showing constant relative weakness for the past 5 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever it is. Kenny Boy and his goons. / algos. You lost money on SPI on that big day when it was up over 1000%. You followed Warrior Trading. There you go. STNG. No, it's not good. Haven't I worked on an algo project? Not in relation to my trading. Yeah, oil sector is the leading sector right now. Oil and gas. Yeah, no, yeah, they're fading one by one. That's fine. They're just prepping to put it in AMC. Create the squeeze of a century. They're gonna make, you know, GME. They're gonna make GME look like child's play. Damn. So many evil algos on this AMC right now. Come on, hold the line, guys. Reclaim the 20 EMA. Yes. Yes! Come on. Nope. Apparently not. Looks like Kenny Boy is winning this one. Or maybe not. Come on. Reclaim the 20 EMA on the 60. Yeah, it broke out yesterday. Yesterday was the setup. Wish is holding up really well. CLNE bouncing off the 10-day. All right, they reclaimed. Very good. There's an insane area here in the 60, mid 60s on AMC. If you can go sideways and then take that area out, that thing could double. But for that to happen, AMC needs to hold the 20 EMA on the 60. BNTX. Oh, BNTX. Okay, this one is probably gonna stop me out. It could rally. It got rejected on the 20-day. I don't like that. Yeah, Futu doesn't look good. AXAS. Yeah, it could be a setup. Not bad. It's a strong sector. CLOV gonna go straight back to $10. Come on, AMC. Go green. P10, yeah, it needs to go sideways a bit more. Look, I want AMC to go to 100, 120, 150. Oh, sorry, I mean 2 million. Is it that much to ask for? Yeah, that's what I meant, 2 million. Low price targets are for losers. Yeah, that's the problem. That's why, you know, they need to focus on one. You can't dilute your attention. If you're gonna gonna push a stock, you gotta push that one stock. You can't diversify into 7 others. You know, it doesn't work that way. Wall Street bets amateurs. Yeah, exactly. Everyone wants to be first. Oh yeah, come on AMC, very good. Kenny boy, yeah, he wants blood on Futu. Yep. Let's see if it can bounce off the 20-day. I'm gonna use the lows from enter day as my stop. I'm not gonna override it. Tiger pulled back perfectly at 20 yesterday. That's good. That's exactly where it should have found support. Very good. Acting exactly right. What I would do with something like Tiger yesterday, well, if you have watched the swing trading videos, you know. Very simple. Hmm. TNA is weak. I'm thinking about sizing down on TNA if it closes below the 10-day. CLOV, I guess, is the weakest. BB is the weakest. AMC. Hmm. Pan W is building a beautiful base. Oh, it looks so good. Looks great. GME. Okay, Futo, very good, very good. Undercut the 65 EMA on the 60, and now it's building a wick here. That's good. Where's the setup in this thing? Where's the tightness? Where's the range? Do I only look for earning CPs? Well, if you follow the link on the screen, you'll find out. You would know which EPs I prefer. Dun, 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 dun. Snap. Yeah, the strong ones are gonna hold up. Net holding up, SC holding up, Shopify holding up. Yeah. The strong ones are holding up. And AMD looks insane on the weekly. But there's like an insane amount of setups out there. There's Tesla. What are the other ones in NIO, XPEV? Yeah, Kenny Boy is going all in on AMC now. EOSA. Yeah, it looks good. It looks pretty good actually. I love it how it hammered off the 20-day yesterday. I was breaking the range, yeah. Not a lot of things going on today. Most things are pulling back, including the momentum leaders. This AHT is another one of the biggest momentum leaders right now. It probably needs another 3-4 days at least, but this is actually one I can trade. It's that liquid. It had the primary breakout somewhere here. Yeah, here was the primary breakout. Clean breakout on the 60-minute. Or well, not super clean, but pretty good. And now it needs some time. BTNR, yeah, it's starting to fade too. You can clearly see all the big winners are kind of pulling back. Wanna watch the Fed? I'd rather end my life than watch the Fed talk. You know, at least CNBCs can be entertaining. At least they're trying to. Watching the Fed talk, you know, it's. Have you guys ever watched the Fed talk? Because anyone who's ever seen the Fed talk, they don't ever want to see it again. Yeah, SMH. Yeah, man, this thing, it's gonna go to 300 plus. AMAT, LRCX, these things are rocket launch pads. Obviously, I trade the sector via Soxol. I'm loaded on this thing. You watch it every time, it's super pointless. There you go. What's Roblox doing? Wait, what? Why is Roblox this week? Did they have some, like an off? No, they not offering. Why is it gapping down? Oh, daily active users, yeah. Pull back to the 50-day. Yeah, it's great that it's bouncing off the 50-day. Maybe we get a new flag, new base to trade it from in a few weeks. That would be great. Beyond Meat showing relative strength. Yep. 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 Putting it back on my watch list. Yep, that's what you want to see. Very good. Right back into the range. Tried to dip yesterday and right back into the range. Yeah, it's gonna be a big one. I think the 20-day needs to catch up. Snow, yeah, it's kind of building a flag here too. Not as excited about this one. No. I think Beyond Meat can make a bigger move. Damn. Too bad it had to shake me out. This AMC. I have less size this time around than I had previously. Annoying. Can you talk about how I manage AMC trade? Which one of them? I've been trading it for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Oh, I wish I had my 400,000 shares of CLOV from like 26s. It's gonna go straight down to the 20-day. This is good, you know, this is how you see which ones are strong, which ones are holding up. Oh, CrowdStrike, of course. Just keeps going higher. Without me. Instead I put Snapchat that stopped me out twice. Twice, it hit excess highs twice. Can't believe this thing. But it's setting up again. 2 tight days, the 20 days catching up, it's gonna be great. Yeah, stupid day traders. SC is a piece of shit. I'm sorry, what? It's literally one of the better ones right now. What the hell are you talking about? Oh, I see a lot of people have been moderated in the chat. Holy shit. Guys, pro tip. Follow the instructions on the screen. Your life will be much easier. How SC stopped you out a few times. How did it stop you out a few times? It had a great setup here. And it's how did it stop you out? Impossible. Are mods getting moderated? No way. Which mod got moderated? Can you even moderate mods? I'm gonna moderate David. GTT is warrior trading. Yeah. So for those of you who don't know, he bought it here, probably, right? And then his goons, they've been buying on the way up. And now he's probably gonna sell it. Noven. Yeah, speculation money left the house. Was fun while it lasted. But man, this Doku had such great follow through from the EP. Not bad for a large cap. Where were the opening range highs? I mean, it's up like 20%. Not a huge move, but for a 3.5 ADR stock, not bad. Oh, Alfie came back! Really? Nice! Oh, I hope this thing goes to 30. Yeah, Soxel strong, FNGU, Mega Cap strong, Semiconductor strong, Brazil strong, small caps not so strong, Energy kind of having a down day, Futu, oh come on! Chinese Ken Griffin is pushing it lower. Don't worry about bear flags. You don't ever need to trade them. Struggling trader? We'll see. No struggling trader. David, you can always mute. David hates me helping other people. He just wants 50k from me. That's all he wants. And also, guys, if you can't type in the chat yet, pro tip, don't whisper me. I'm just gonna ignore you. Use the 3 months to study. Okay? Chill out. And then when you can deserve it, you can type in the chat and I'll respond. As long as you follow the chat rules. It's not rocket science, guys. You're not the only one writing to me. There's like 50 people a day writing to me across social media. Exactly. Small, yeah, high ADR stocks. It doesn't matter if they're small or big, but high ADR stocks, yes. That's where the money is. But some people don't want to make money. They want stock picks and they want to trade. Once you decide you actually want to make money, your trading will improve. Look, I want to get stopped out of my AMC short. I want this thing to, take out the highs of the day, close, go to green or whatever, and then break out the 60-50 area, I don't know, tomorrow or whatever, Friday, and then squeeze to 100, 150. That would be my first target before 2 million. Alfie! Halted! That's good. Come on, go to 20. There were so many shorts on it yesterday, man. BB got rejected of the VWAP. AMC failed to reclaim VWAP for now. It is strong. Beyond meat, yeah. What we want now is at least one tight day here. It's acting very well. Don't worry, it's not gonna run away from you. It's not gonna go straight up. Okay, let's do a struggling trader review. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Oh, Jesus Christ. Whoa, what's this? Oh my god, someone just wrote me a novel. Okay, I have to read through it. Let's see here. Oh man, I have so many missed messages from like a month back. Oh, what is this? I just realized I have like whispers from over a month ago that I haven't even seen. Let's see here. Oh guys, oh by the way, no more struggling trader things. I have content for a month. No more. No more. Oh my god, these are from April? Holy shit. Oh yeah, that's when I was thinking about doing the interviews. I know, I need to... Oh. So many people. Oh my god, let's see here. Did I miss any? Oh, I think I missed one here. Oh, there's a guy from April that I apparently didn't didn't do. But that's you know, it was a tough period, so. Oh man, there's just so many. Jesus Christ. Okay. No, let's see. Where are the recent ones? Okay, I'll take this one. Whew, okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm already exhausted. Okay. Where did it go? Here it is. What am I looking at here? Oh, okay. Entry 1705. Oh, that's a beautiful one. I like that. Beautiful. Beautiful flag break. 468. Yeah, good level. Let's see. Exit 525. 25.5 was the exit. Let's see. 20. Wait. I'm sorry, what? Why did you sell it the 25th? Why didn't you trail it? He sold a third on third day, so he sold a third here. Why didn't you trail it with a 10-day? This should have been your exit day. Alright. Otherwise, it was a nice trade. A good setup and everything. Let's see. 1705. Okay, yeah, you know what? Not a traditional setup, but it was one right range break, and the whole sector broke out, the oil and gas sector. Not a great setup in itself, but it's a type of setup you can trade, absolutely. Wait. Oh, there it is. 241. You entered here. Okay. Exit. Wait. You sold it the same day? You entered too late and didn't like the risk reward. Okay. All right. RFP 25.5. Let's see, where is it? Not a great setup at all. It was wide and loose. It wasn't an explosive stock. Paper products, you know. No, it wasn't a good setup here. Wide and loose, not nice and tight. RRD. No, it's the same stock. Okay, I don't get it. Okay, ICE 27.5, 27.5. Why did you spy it the 27th? I guess you mean the 28th? But again, you know, these types of setups coming out of lows, the focus on flags. These are, you know, they're tough. And you sold it the same day, okay? T-up, another one, you sold it the same day, 27. And again, here we are again. Just some random, you know, like guys, don't buy these, you know, these broken stocks, especially not if they're micro cap. Like, they're one and done. There's no institutional support on them. There's no reason for them to go up. Focus on flags. Don't buy broken micro caps. Avoid it. That was the same conclusion we had in the last batch of struggling trader reviews 2 months ago, or a month and a half ago. You know, but people kept buying these broken microcap stocks. Just avoid. Once they lose the 20, generally you can just ignore them. Let's see, AV 26. Okay. It was a flag, absolutely. A little bit of a flag break. Not maybe a 3-star setup. Nothing exceptional. It did work out. But you sold it the same day? Okay. Oh, because it closed weak? Okay, I get it. Yeah. SB 26. Wait, well, what's AMD doing? AMC. Oh! Wait, AMC is ticking higher while BB took out the lows of the day. Well, that's good. I want the AMC to go higher. I want it to go to 150 and then do 3 million. Sorry, 2 million. Which one was I on? Oh, SB 26, right? 26. This type of setup. Nah, no, not a good setup. No. It's no. It needs to be surfing the 10 and 20. This thing was below, and no, not a good setup. Like, this was a good setup, okay? This 5-star setup. It didn't work out, but this is not a good setup. You know, no. It needs to be surfing the moving averages. Higher 3.6. No, not a good setup. What is this? What is this? It's just a random day on a random stock. No, focus on nice and tight. Nice and tight. Needs to be nice and tight. A better setup would have been on this day here. Okay, when it actually broke out of this narrow range. Higher. No, I'm on higher. CTXR. CTXR 7 6. Oh yeah, 7th of June. Okay. Man, these US formats are so illogical. CTXR. It's no. I mean, no. It wasn't really a big momentum stock, and it stopped you out the day after because it wasn't nice and tight. Wasn't nice and tight. It did end up working though, but that's not the point. Mix MOXC. Let's see. 9th of June. Again, not a good setup. Why do you buy it after it? This would have been a better entry. Okay, this was like a 3.5 star setup. This is 0 stars. Buying it on this day here is a 0 star setup. Other than that, it was pretty decent. They had a big move, pulled back, started surfing the 20. But the entry, this was a fairly good setup. 3.5 stars. Obviously, it didn't work out, but what's AMC doing? AMC is strong. Let's see, what do we have here? CREX 10.6. Okay, that was a pretty decent setup. Yeah, it's really good. Higher lows, tight range. Just didn't work out yet. But you should still be in it. You should have sold a third to half by now, or today at least. You should do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is actually day 4. Yeah, this thing has still potential. You should still be in it. Are you in it? No, you're not. Why? Why you're not in it? And you didn't give me anything. Oh, there it is. What's the comment on this one? Anticipated a breakout, and even if it was breaking out, the volume was too low. Okay. You don't need crazy volume on a breakout. Stocks can go up on low volume too. Volume only matters on EP. 10.6. 10. Oh, absolutely. Like, what's the setup here? Wait, you traded it. What are you doing? You traded it 3 times the same day? There's no setup here. Where's the range? Is it surfing the moving averages? This is just a random day, and you took 3 losses on it that day. That's what happens when you trade random things. WPG. Oh my god, this thing totally died. Let's see, 6th of June. 6th of June? Where is the 6th of June? Wait. No, the 11th. Damn, these American formats are so stupid. What are you doing? What? Why did you buy it on this day here? And your notes make no sense. Surfing the 20 day at the end. You anticipated. This is why I don't anticipate stuff. And why do you buy it? There's no setup there. And it's not surfing the 20 day. It's surfing the 10 day. Dude. What the hell, man? No. Big no. BBW. 14th of June. Again. Not a setup there. Look at the wideness of the previous day. ETNR 14th. Again, like, why are you buying something like this? Look at the wideness of the previous day. Look for nice and tight, not wide and loose. This is not a setup. It didn't even break the previous day's highs. It never even had a breakout. Why are you anticipating these breakouts that never happened? Don't anticipate. Guys, if you're gonna anticipate, it really needs to be something special. And you know, if you haven't made like a few million in trading yet, you don't know what's really special. So don't anticipate. What's this? 15. Again, what are you doing? Wait for the ranges to develop. This is just some random stock having a random day. Guys, you're gonna blow up. You're gonna bleed out. You're gonna bleed out. Let's see. Now this was a good setup. You know, like a 4-star setup. 3.5. It had a big move. It was really a gap up and fade. Pulled back. Found support on the 10-day. Started building higher lows. On the 60-minute, you can see it a little bit better. They had this range. And once that, you know, on this candle here, that would have been the breakout. Let's see. What's your entry? BCTX 578. Again, you're kind of anticipating things. You bought it before it even took out the previous day's highs. There's no need to do it. I mean, no, don't do it. Stop with this anticipation bullshit. The correct entry would have been around in the 6 area, low 6s maybe. I would say 6 area. Once it took out the highs of the intraday highs, and also it wasn't like a really great setup to begin with. It is going higher, yes, but it was like a 3.5 star. All right, that's that. No, the day you get in is day 0, so the next day is day 1, but it doesn't matter, you know. Do it whatever they want. I mean, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Like, do you want it to count as day 0 or day 1? It doesn't make a big difference. It really doesn't matter that much. Doesn't matter. If you get the big things right, the small details, they won't matter. They won't matter. You catch, you know, a few of these per quarter. All of these other bullshit things, they won't matter. Oh, I should have put 25% of my count in this thing instead of 20%. Or, oh, you know, this or that. You know, this is what it's all about. You get the big things right, you can make a lot of tiny mistakes, or, you know, things don't have to be perfect. CHPT, I already commented on it. There's nothing there. It doesn't matter if the previous day is green or, you know, look at the overall range and the tightness of the past few days. It doesn't always have to be tight, but in that case, the range has to be something special. Anticipation is absolutely not like front running. Do you know what anticipation is? You have a big, like a race, like a marathon, Boston Marathon, and you don't know who are good or not, and you just pick some random person. And then the race starts, and it turns out the person you picked is overweight, has asthma, has smoked for 45 years, his lungs are black, And he's had like 3 heart attacks in the past 2 years. Or you could just wait a little bit, let the race start, and see who the great runners are. A fake breakout is you bet on a guy I just told you. He gets his 4th heart attack in 2 years, and he's out of the race. That's a failed breakout. Fucking Kenny boy. Damn, D-Dog is going too from breakout, range break. ZS is going. Also broke out of this multi-month range. Just like Pan W looks just, this thing looks even better. But it's a very low ADR stock, that's the problem. Oh. Okay, never mind, I'm gonna put it on ignore. Too slow, too slow. Run, yeah, just some random stock. The solars are kind of strong today. There are no setups around in the sector. Absolutely none. YRD. I mean, it looks decent on a 60. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. But I prefer better flags, like a bit longer. Where the moving averages are caught up. Most of the time. Palantir, yeah, very good. It undercut the 10-day, made another higher low. It's building a base, and also on the weekly, it has this week. Yeah, like I'm very bullish going into the summer. There's so many things like software tech stocks that are, and semiconductors, etc., that made big moves last year and early this year, and now they've been basing for like 3, 4, 5 months. Some have already kind of broken out, but there's a lot of that's just waiting to make explosive moves. There's a lot of them. It's hard as long as they're staying in higher ends of their ranges. It's hard to be bearish or anything like that. Like AMD made a big move. This thing has been going up for years and years. On the weekly, look at this. CrowdStrike already broke out. Little bit of a sloppy range. Not super tight. Shopify broke out. Look at this. This thing, I was it yesterday. I didn't buy it. Right? SC broke out. A little bit of a sloppy range. Which are the beautiful ones? I can't even remember them right now. I have alerts on them. Net broke out of a nice range. Multi-month range. Oh, Carvana is one. This one. Just look at this. Holy shit, it looks good. And it's starting to tighten up on the daily too. Surfing the 20-day. Very good. Doku broke out of a sloppy range. That's a hard one. MDB is a hard one. Damn, which are the good ones? I can't even remember. I have alerts set. My memory is so bad. Yeah, Nvidia was one. Sloppy base too, but it's a leader. Well, they won the Pan W. Now, obviously, it's a very low ADR, but this is like a 5-star chart on the weekly, man. It's so beautiful. Bill is another one. Man, which ones are there? I have to go to my watch list and actually. Square is kind of building. Needs to tighten up a little bit. Roku one, it got rejected on declining 20 weekly, but I think in a week or two it could be setting up again, and if it needs to break over this 367 368 area, that would be nice. MU is building a base. Palantir is one. Snow is another one. Looks great on the weekly if it can reclaim that 255 area. AMAT and LRCX look amazing, especially on both weekly and daily. Snapchat looks amazing. Look at this range. Like, it's beautiful. Just needs to break out. It's gonna go to 100. Futu. Oh my god, it almost stopped me out. Futu looked great until it got slammed back into the range. Kenny Boy is on all of my stocks. I'm telling you guys. Kenny Boy is on all of my stocks. Beely looks great. Fubo looks great on the daily. Oh man. A few more days it's gonna look amazing. Carvana I talked about. Lyft is setting up. Viva is a bit sloppy, but I guess it could be setting up. Yeah, I mean there are things out there. Wait, BB? Oh, nice. CLOV. Yeah, BB is the weakest one now. Maybe I should cover a few. Or maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Should I cover? What if it goes straight to $11? Nah, I'm not gonna cover. ASXC. Oh, sorry. Wait. ASXC. ASXC. Ideally a few more days, but yeah, it looks pretty decent. Had a nice little linear uptrend. It's doubled, more than doubled, pulled back, found support on a 10-day, surfing the 10-day, now it's tightening up. A few more days would be ideal. This thing has made a big move earlier this year, so we know this thing can make explosive moves. Especially this flag here was beautiful. Oh, too thin for me, but man. And this is 5 stars. You can clearly see on the, look at how tight it got in 60 minutes, and then it had this range breakout. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And a fairly tight day, not super tight, but in this case, it was a very high momentum stock. And it had been going south for like 2 weeks, building this little base, and it's all about finding a few per quarter. It doubled in what, 4 days, 3 days. That's great. Beautiful. This thing needs a few more days now. It doesn't have as much momentum this time around, but yeah, a few more days. One that I'm personally getting excited about is AHT. 2-3 days of sideways, tightening up, So 20 day can catch up. Oh man, this one you can do 1,000,000 shares, no problem. It's that liquid. NGMS, what's that? Needs a few more days. I don't think it's no, it's not great. You think about it today? No, I don't think so. I think the 20 day needs to catch up this time around. Oh wait, are all gas names strengthening? Yes, they are. Gosh. Oh yeah. FNG. Wait, what? No, no, no. Wait, which is my oil name? Oh, here. Oh, great, great. Getting tighter. Very good. Showing some strength. Fucking voodoo. Steel names strengthening. Tesla weakening. Alright. Wait, I have to log into my brokerage account to sell it. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna wait. It's the nothing special about this one. ADR 5.5. You're better off just trading something like Gush, an ETF like Gush, 5.7 ADR. If you can trade the ETFs, a lot of the European people can't. FTCI, what? No. It had a decent setup 2 days ago. There's nothing here today. It's just a random day. iMac? No, it just looks all over. No, it's not a good setup. It's all over the place. Nothing special about it. No volume either. Too random. BBIG. Oh, what's the question? Maybe a few more days. Yeah, NRGU would be even better. That's the one I'm in. This one has ADR of 6.2. Yeah, there's still a lot of things setting up. You know, even this Wish, this Wall Street Bets name, it's kind of flagging. It's flagging really nicely. Next leg higher could go from like mid 11s to 15, 16 or something, you know? Not bad. What's CLNE doing? Oh, this is weak. Okay. LPI, didn't I already mention this one? SM, no, avoid it. It's not great. It looks exactly like this OIH ETF, pretty much, but it has a higher ADR. Okay, yeah, whatever. This thing had some pretty good setups down here. Breakout. Had a breakout here, but it was kind of red candle on that breakout day, so that kind of ruined it. But yeah, it went straight up. But yeah, I mean, you know, obviously it's too bad it closed near the lows this day, but if you ignore this day, just look at the setup quality. This is what you want to look at, okay? Just make a habit of drawing these triangles, okay? If you can't draw a triangle, the setup is shit. If there isn't a range and higher lows, the setup is shit. It's easy as that. Move on. Futu low. Oh, come on. I have to log into my Interactive Brokers account. I'm too lazy to do that. You know what? I'm gonna gamble. I'm gonna gamble on it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait even more. ASTS, what's this? What's the question? Good question. Sorry, quit setup yesterday. I was okay. It was okay. I mentioned Carvana before. It looks great. This thing looks like a rocket launch site. This needs to break out. Lower ADR, but you know, this thing made a huge move last year and early this year. Went up almost 1400%, and now it's been digesting the move over the past, pretty much almost 7 months, 6.5 months or something. 60-minute flags? No, it's too short. And there's nothing special about it. Sometimes I trade flags on the 60-minute if there's really special, like a really huge momentum stock. Be a YFC, not a huge momentum stock. PGNY, ADR 3.4. I mean, setup itself looks pretty decent, but ADR 3.4, that's the problem. My triangles look different from yours. Well, okay. How can you, like, this is a triangle. Okay. There's some variations. It could be something like this, and you know, I don't know how your triangles can be so fundamentally different from my triangles. Dun, 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 dun. Your triangles have 4 corners? Okay. Space? Yeah. Yep. Now, space, yeah, actually, yeah. I think the 20-day needs to catch up. But it's not going anywhere yet. It's not going away. That's what I meant. Not going away. ADOS, yeah, maybe in a few more days. Man, holy shit, I just became really tired. Also, find the 5-star setup on UCO. It's an oil ETF. There was a setup. I mean, it's just so textbook, it's not even funny. There were actually, you know, several of them. I need to zoom in. This is some kind of, I think it's like a leveraged oil ETF, not sure. This was a pretty good one. Surfing the 10-day, then it found support on a 20-day, and then it gapped up over this range. Again, and draw a simple triangle. Look at how linear and nice it was, right? Demand. This is called demand. And then it broke out of that range. Oh, for fuck's sake, TC2000. You can't even draw a fucking triangle. Come on. Okay, you get the point. Okay. And then it kept going and then built another flag. Found support on the rising 20. Higher lows. Broke out of this range. Beautiful. And kept going. Look at this. Now this is a low ADR ETF, but you know, those are the setups you wanna see. It looks like shit. To me, it looks like it's totally lost its momentum. I don't like this one. TGH. No, it's all over the place. It's not really a great momentum stock. It's a slow grinder. Focus on explosive stuff. Okay, what about VTNR? TR says, no, go higher. I want this thing to go to 20. We need to take back control of AMC. Feels like Kenny Boy is controlling the stock right now. The bad guys are controlling the stock. Not good. Yeah, VCP is another word for a base or a triangle. Exactly. VCP is another word for a tightening range. SGMS tightening question mark. Is it tightening? Looks like it's tightening to me. No TV. I have a TV. Oh man, this is wide and loose. No. This is not a stock you want to trade. This is not a trading stock. No. Focus on explosive moves. Look at the prior move on the flagpole, guys. Guys, you really, most of you really, would do better if you just rewatch the swing trading school videos. You want the previous move needs to be big, okay? It needs to be explosive. Those are the ones you want to focus on, not some random stuff like this. Yeah, it's made a big move over the past 8 months, but that's, it's not a trading stock. It's a choppy one. It's been reverting. You want explosive stocks. You want to focus on elite stocks. Okay? The only way to have elite results is focusing on elite stocks. Peers. Now this is what I talk about elite stock. Now this guy gets it, okay? Big previous move. 170% in 2 sessions. Pull back. Found support on a rising 10. It's been surfing the rising 10, building higher lows, and now it's tightening the range. Look at this pattern. It's called a triangle. Okay? Now this is an elite stock. If you want to find a stock that has the potential to make a 50% move or a 100% move, you will get it on a stock that has tripled in a few days in the previous, few weeks or months. You're not gonna get it on a stock that just keeps grinding slowly higher. Okay, it's a numbers game, it's an odds game. Now this is a good setup. This is fucking beautiful. It reminds me about LEDS a month back. LEDS, beautiful. Big previous move. 265% in 3 days. Orderly pullback. Found support on 10 day. Okay? Look at this. This is a triangle. Tightening range. Range expansion. Okay? And look at the move it did. Okay? It went up at 263% in the next 2 weeks or something. Okay? How do you find a move like this? You're not gonna find a breakout of 263% on a stock like, look at some of the suggestions I've gotten lately. Like no TV. The previous move was 20%, not even 20%. What more? SGMS. Another, it's a grinder. Okay, 35%. These things are very sluggish. Okay, it went up 35% in what? A month? It's not an explosive stock. Focus on the superstars. Beyond Meat, this is the one I'm tracking. Okay, I'm really excited about this one. I think another 1 or 2 days of tightening range, I'm gonna go full retard on it. Look at this. It went up. This is a large cap, or a mid cap. It went up 46% in a week. Okay, that's an explosive move, especially for being a mid cap. Okay. Does it matter than the weekly? No, forget about weekly charts. You guys don't need to pay attention to the weekly charts. Don't worry about the weekly charts until you get to 10 plus million. Then you can start worrying about it. No, focus on the daily charts. Focus on 1 month, 3 month and 6 month momentum. That's where you're gonna focus on the strongest stocks across those 3 time frames. The 1%, the elite. How many retards are buying Pierce? Not many. Nothing going on. Okay, good. You learned. I feel like a lot of people learned the wrong lesson. The guys that bought it, 10, 10, 50, 11, after I said it was a great setup, they were rewarded. The chases were rewarded with a 200% plus move. I feel like a lot of people may have learned no lesson on that. They got rewarded for the wrong type of behavior. Oh man. CCO? Is it explosive? How big is this move? 20%. Is it an explosive one? Carve? Yeah. Yep. Now this is better one. This thing doubled in like a week. And it chopped around. And now it's surfing the 10-day. A few more days, it's gonna be a great setup. This is, yeah, beautiful. Oh, it's the same sector as U1. It's these black banks. Yeah, it's the same sector, yeah. U1E. Guys, if you follow the trailing sell rule, the 10-day moving average rule, you should still be in half or 2/3 of your position. And look at this. Look at the move it made. This is why you trail. You need a few per quarter. You don't need to catch them all. You just need a few. And you're going to double, triple your account. Quadruple. Every single year. You don't need to trade every day, every week, every month. Or okay, you probably need to trade every month, but and you're probably gonna trade every week, but you definitely don't need to trade every day. That's a lesson I'm still trying to learn, but I'm a slow learner, and you guys can do much better. Like the threshold to have better returns than me, it's not that high. It really is not. Yeah, I'm gambling on Futu. I'm trying to pretend I didn't get stopped out. I want to see how it acts on the 20-day. I mean, guys, I just want to go to sleep. I don't even want to log into IB. So I have to put in a security code and it takes like 30 seconds. Please send me your... Okay, yeah, I'll send you my username, password, and security codes. And you can do it for me. That's a great idea. What's your email? Can you send me your email and your password? What's great? I don't see any. Or well, no, it doesn't. I don't know. It is super tight. I don't know. It had a lot of volume. I mean, maybe. It was a big move. 90%. Yeah, I mean, these things could work. I mean, people are looking at, oh, it's a beaten stone stock. It's a $5. It was a 35. Why can't it go to 10? All these chat rooms. You know what? This could be good. This could be good. There's no way I'm gonna opt out of two-factor authentication. There's no fucking way. You never turn two-factor off, guys. Pro tip. Wherever you can, turn it on. Never opt out. That's a loser move. No. Never. Whenever there's two-factor authentication available, you enable it. Or MCF. DGLS. MCF is just a random old gas name. DGLS. Now this thing at least has some momentum. But no setup. Damn, Kenny boy. He's total control of AMC now. Yeah, you can do biometric too instead of codes. That you can do. You can exchange the codes to biometric. But I feel like a boomer, so I don't want to do things the easy way when you can do it the complicated way. I like putting in numbers and you get one number wrong and you have to redo it all again. I love it. It's the best thing ever. What's Playboy doing? Guys, I'm telling you, if the Fed, for those of you who saw the Paul Tudor Jones interview, if the Fed ignores the inflation number, if they're not gonna do anything about it, Paul Tudor Jones buy like gold, crypto, silver, hard assets with both hands. I think Playboy is a great inflation protection asset. It's one of the strongest assets you can have in America. In the America. It's a hard asset, yeah. What's Dix doing? Oh. Yeah, fuck. AMC, the evil shorties are in total control of this thing. We can't do anything about it. We have to eat shit. That's what us small guys have to do, while the big guys are running our stocks. You gotta go where Kenny Boy's going. If Kenny Boy's shorting, you gotta short. Kenny Boy's buying, you gotta buy. Let's see how my gamble on Futu is going. There's a lot of moving averages here. If it doesn't find support on any of these moving averages and goes to like 135 today, I'm gonna lose a bunch of money for no good reason. That's what you get for being lazy. Oh, Tesla's going lower. Oh man, I need to eat something. What stocks are mentioned on Wall Street Bets? CLNE. What happened to Woof and Corsair? Yeah, that's what happens when you dilute your attention. They started pushing all these Wish and Clav and all of these, and instead, you know, if they had just focused on AMC, could have legit gone to low hundreds. Legit. You know, I mean, easily. A Kenny Boy would be worth 15.9 billion right now instead of 16.1. But no, we don't want to do that. Instead, we want to dilute our attention, dilute our buying power. Cut the stream. Dude, I'm just getting started. I just haven't woken up yet. Or actually, I have, but I just fell asleep. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I have a meeting. Oh shit, I have a meeting in 10 minutes. Oh, I forgot about it. Okay guys, I have to cut the stream. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow, and AMC to the moon.